I would say overall still positive, but I'm not looking for New Zealand dollar against the US dollar to really rocket away beyond 0.74. So that's almost where we're trading. So supportive, but a central bank that leans against. It's not our best pick that I would go for. I rather would go for the Aussie, where we have soaring copper prices, well bid iron ore prices, good terms of trade shift, and that motivates for an Aussie US moving north of 0.8.
I'm glad you raised the issue of the Australian dollar across the Tasman Sea, because we cracked the 79 mark this morning. How much of an impediment is 80, or is this going to be like a marshmallow door that one could just easily push through and hold above?
Well, I think as long as two things. I mean, so first of all, as long as commodity prices continue their ascent, I think that's going to be a very modest line that, that gives little resistance in my view. So I think that's something to think about. I mean, copper prices, we expected to head towards $9,500 a ton. We see LNG prices well bid as well, which is important, iron ore on the same side. As long as you have that terms of trade shift, I think we need to look for a stronger Aussie. I think that's one element. The lockdown didn't have much of an effect, and Australia is heading for vaccination, and it begun, and I think that will add more confidence on top of it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we overshoot.
I'm sure the RBA would like to take a little steam out of it, though. Start of a brand new trading week. Give us some fresh new currency trading pair ideas, Dominic.
So I think in the current environment where we want to be long is we still want to be long the CNY. I know it has slowed down dollar CNY, but if I look at the current account data that came out just last week, phenomenal in the fourth quarter. I think that speaks for it, the yield as well. So want to be long the CNY. You can do it against the dollar, or if you have a little bit more conviction that low yielding currency is going to be under pressure, you do it against the yen. I think that would be one way of going forward. Alternative, we do like the broad commodity currencies. I think looking for a basket here is a good idea. Ruble, for example, look for the NOK, look for the CAD, look for, in that context, also the Aussie. So having a basket, that would be my two picks at this point in time.